The ever-optimistic pro trader Alan Knuckman is ready to go with our final check of the market. Hello, Alan. What do you have to say?
Big market moves last week. The best week of the year in stocks. So it's been quite a turnaround takeoff since 2 Mondays ago when we had that only 2.5% move that shook up the markets mentally and forced some profit taking.
I like how you say only 2% because it felt so much bigger judging by headlines, but it really was not that bad. What do you see happening in the market that could be bullish for the stock market?
All right, good news, earnings still doing fantastic, finishing up the season here. Also important to watch that the dollar index is now at 6-month lows and looking to attack that 100 level. So we've seen that reversal to the downside. Rates are down, dollars down. So all that adds up to be very much a positive bullish catalyst for stocks.
Your new trade is Nike. Why do you like Nike at these levels?
All right, the trade for today, I'm looking at Nike on sale. A big sale, not just a 5%, 10% move like we saw in the S&P that got everybody excited. And now the S&P's within striking distance of the all-time highs very quickly, down only about 2% from the all-time forever top. But Nike is 50% off. Now that's a sale, people. 50% off its 2021 high, and it's a Dow stock. So the risk reward is definitely on the side of this stock with a PE of 20, so it's a good value as well.
Explain why you say Nike shares are on sale.
So looking at Nike, we've been between 70 and 80 here, making a bottom base, a breakout of this range. Now we pushed above 80, targets 90. Now this is a stock that's got money flow and also has bullish divergence, meaning it made new lows at 70, but not new highs in implied volatility. That's usually a sign of a sentiment shift and a turnaround in this stock. Also, if you look at the stock, it was at 120 just here back in December. So the midpoint of this last year is 95. So there's a lot of upside potential in this stock for sure.
What's your plan to profit on a Nike bounce, both in the stock and in the option?
All right, the way to play Nike, I'm looking at a November option, buying the November call, a 75 call, a deep in the money option. The stock's trading for near 83.5 or so. So it's about $8 or $9 in the money. The option's trading for about 10 or 11. So it's a deep in the money option with limited risk, gives you the right to be long from 75. And if we get to that 95 midpoint of the action for this year, then this option will double in value.
Sounds like a plan. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.